My name is Georgy. I'm Deputy General Manager in NNTC, and I'm holding the shared position Deputy General Manager in one of the company group Krok. So I'm serving more like a bridge between our companies, yes, to transfer the knowledge, to transfer the expertise, to add to some great innovative minds of NNTC, to add there some additional technical expertise. For example, like Dmitry said in his speech, that we usually can do full implementation like a system integrator. And for that purpose, of course, we are engaging guys from other companies from the group. But today, we will speak more about time control and data leak prevention for office employees. Yeah, and you all know the current situation. Yes, we all switch to work from home, or let's say 95–99% of the people who is still working, let's say not on vacation, not on the hold. Yes, we are working from home, and this is let's say the case for the whole world, not only UAE, not only Russia or some other countries, it's the whole world. And we have to switch our employees to remote work. And of course, even the companies with a good disaster recovery plans who was prepared to some remote working, have some tools for remote working, were not prepared for such a scale of remote working from employees. Remote workplaces, remote infrastructure was not ready for that. And most important, not only technology, but people. The people are not ready. People don't have needed mindset to work from home in most of the cases. That's not mean there are wrong people or some bad people. No, of course not. They just can't do that from home, yeah, because there is a family, there is a kids, there is animals. There is a lot of distracting factors. There is a lot of infrastructure issues, like personal laptops, home laptops are maybe not capable enough to carry the load. Many applications are missed from that. Network connectivity issues, because everyone has an internet at home, but is it enough for the real quality working, yeah? We can just be distracted and leave our new workplace, home workplace, yes, unattended. That leads to the failure in the deadlines. That means in the security breaches and many more. So all around the world, organization managers are facing these questions, which highlighted in the slide. How we can monitor that people are actually completing the tasks. How we can monitor that actually they are working all this time and not seeing the favorite TV show, yes, because many TV shows, many channels now are giving for free some very nice stuff. And of course, there is a big distraction from that. What can we offer? What can we as NTC can offer to fight this, to solve this problem? We have in our portfolio product a remote control application. I just want to underline that it's not actually the new product. We were promoting it in some countries long before, but of course not on this scale. It was focused on some remote developers, remote marketing managers, and so on. But now we are offering it's like for the whole enterprises, for all enterprises, because we are now all like a remote workers. So what this remote control application can do? Yes, we can monitor the check-in and check-out of employee for the remote workplace. We can detect small, short coffee breaks during the working hours. We can track all remote user activity, what applications are running, what websites are surfing, and many more. Yeah. And we providing you as a manager the whole picture, overall picture of timetable with all working hours, short absence or longer absence from the workplace. All in one, you will have the full picture of what your remote employees are doing actually, and if they are doing some effective or not so. How it works? Actually, like any management discipline, you need to plan something, yes, you need to do as it was planned. You need to check is your plan is coming true, is there any new obstacles, new circumstances arise? And if there is a new obstacles, new circumstances, you need to act, you need to put some corrective measures in place. So this is the same principles, yes? We plan deploying this software to remote workplaces, our software. We collect all data, we analyze this data, we alert you, whoever is needed to be alerted, if there is some kind of breaches or some kind of things are going not as planned. We provide full report for the management to enable you to put these corrective measures in place. And we can even block if there is a predefined blocking strategy. For example, we can block and forbid for the employees during the working hours. That's important, during the working hours, to access some websites or access some application. Actually, this means that you can use your personal laptop during working hours only to do your work, yes. And outside working hours, you can still continue to play with your kids in some games or watch your favorite TV series online on Netflix or whatever. Yeah? A bit about the reports. Product comes with many predefined reports, yeah, already predefined. You can see it, you will see it out of the box, but also it can be customized. Yes, we are ready to customize any reports in the way you need it, in the way your companies need it. Many companies have already some reporting management in place, yes, and we can follow these guidelines. Analytics can be done on a different measures, yes, productive time, personal time activities. Even we can, based on check-in, check-out time, we can do like a late report. Yes, is anyone late to work from home? If it's applicable, of course, for your organization. Yeah, and it can be tracked for the department, for the organization, for the exact employee or group of employees or team or project team or in any teams you will create. Yeah, so the report will reflect the overall effectiveness of all teams. Deployment, yes, it can be deployed in two ways. It can be deployed on-premise in the customer side or in the cloud, central server. Yeah, the application agent, let's say, is intended to be installed in the remote workplace, and it can be deployed automatically or manually. And server can be deployed in cloud or in the premise. If it's a cloud installation, it's up to 3 days of implementation. Actually, 3 days, it's even like it's a worst case scenario. We have some experience with deployment less than 1 day. Yeah, so it's like 3 days for cloud. It's even like maximum. And a little bit about the pricing, because previously on all presentations there was questions about the pricing, so I decided to put price just like some kind of indicative price here. So price per 100 employees per month, you will pay only $40, and if you are signing for the 1 year, you will pay only $12 per employee per month. Yeah. So I just urge you to ask about actual prices, with actual number of employees, and what is more important, we have to announce, and glad to announce, not have to announce, but glad to announce that during this, let's say, difficult time for all of us, yes, 1 month trial is available, absolutely free. You can order the trial for up to 100 employees for absolutely free, and you can start using the software. And after the 1 month, you can decide is to prolong the usage, or you will see that it's somehow not applicable to you, and you can cancel it with no fee whatsoever. Yeah, this prices is referred to cloud installation, of course, but if for the on-premise installation, I would urge you again to ask us to let's say to inquire from us the real pricing.